Hello, this is a video tutorial for the assignment in Unit 2, Activity 3. And this assignment is going to be a portfolio entry. And so you should already have completed portfolio entry number 1 back in Unit 1, and this will be portfolio entry number 2. And so just a reminder of how the portfolio entries work. It says throughout the semester you will complete portfolio entries. You will submit them all as a package at the ending of the semester, and they'll be worth 10% of your final grade. So whether you're using Microsoft Word, whether you're using Google Docs, whatever it is you're using to type out your assignments, you should already have portfolio entry number 1 typed out and saved. And so go back to that same document and go to the next page, or move, or go to the bottom of below after you've completed portfolio entry number 1 and put portfolio entry number 2 and continue on. And you can have all of your portfolio entries that you complete throughout the semester in one document. Okay, so that's my suggestion on how you should be completing the portfolio entries. And specifically for the one you're going to complete now, you've got portfolio entry number 2. And the question is, choose one of the 4 literary lenses and use it to analyze your favorite short story, novel, movie, or TV show. Clearly identify the literary lens and the story that you have chosen. So it doesn't matter to me which one of the 4 literary lenses you choose. If you go back to the content, you'll see again that there was 4 choices. There was the reader response lens, the historical biographical lens, the psychological lens, and the gender lens. So choose whichever one of those you want and apply it to your favorite short story, novel, movie, or TV show. It doesn't matter to me what you choose as your favorite story or novel or movie or TV show, but choose one that you have hopefully seen recently, that you are familiar with, and hopefully you enjoyed, so it'll make it much easier to write about and to analyze. Okay? So your analysis should answer at least 3 questions related to the literary lens you chose. So if we go back to the content, just a reminder of the questions. If you choose the reader response lens, you've got a series of questions here that are often asked in a reader response analysis. So you choose at least 3 of these to answer. So something like, how do you feel about the story that you've read? What does it make you think about? How does it relate to your own life? How might other readers think differently about it? So choose at least 3 of the reader response questions here to answer in your analysis. If you were to choose the historical biographical lens, you've got the questions right here. Choose at least 3 of these to include and answer them in your analysis. And then again, same thing with the psychological lens. You were presented with a series of questions here, and the gender lens, a series of questions here. So answer at least 3 questions that are related to the literary lens you chose in your response. Okay? So while you're answering those questions, you should be including specific supporting details from the story, novel, movie, or TV show that you chose. So make sure you back yourself up with specific details from the particular story that you're analyzing. Your response should be at least 10 sentences. Every portfolio entry that we do this semester, I'll ask you to write at least 10 sentences. And again, just a reminder, you're not submitting the portfolio entry now. You're saving it in a secure place, and you're going to submit them all as one package at the ending of the semester. If you have any questions about this portfolio assignment, please let me know.